Well, it's update 5. It's been about 3 days since they were last here, and me and Mel's thinking we might have bit off a bit more than we can chew, because the more that gets pulled down, the more we see needs doing. So we're just making more money disappear, because we're pulling the roof down and the roof's rotten. The floorboards underneath for upstairs are rotten. One of the lads put the foot through the floor the other day and pushed some of the ceiling down. There's termite damage. I'm sure it's not just water damage, although it could be water damage, but to me it looks like termites. But what do I know? You can see over in the corner that all needs breeze blocking, and we've took this shelf thing down, and all that's between us and next door is a board, so that needs breeze blocking. We've got to block it up. I mean, there's a door here, this door, and there's a crack through, and you can see into next door. You can hear them making cups of tea, and they started on the bathroom this morning, but I told them to stop. You can see they've been knocking tiles off. See the state of the toilet. I've got the tiles for the bathroom anyway, and a new toilet. We've got a new toilet in a box there, haven't we, babe? Yeah. We've bought some glass blocks for the window, and then we're going to have an extractor fan in there. They're cutting the wall out to put new sockets. We've had an electrician here, and I agree with him, the whole lot needs rewiring, because he's saying this wiring's a fire hazard, it's dangerous. So I've had to buy a load of wire, 150 meters of wire. So it's all going to be rewired, all new sockets, all new light fittings. I think what I'm going to do with this floor is I'm going to reinforce the floor for the upstairs. Even though we're not going to use the upstairs, I want to reinforce the floor so we can, if we do decide to use a room or whatever, we're not going to put our feet through the floor. So you can see they've put a socket in there, look. The socket looks like it's at an angle, so that's going to have to be straightened. That's no good. Oh my god. I wish I hadn't started. It's a money pit, this thing. So nobody's covered anything up. Even the windows are broke, look. I didn't notice that till they took the nets and the curtains down. That window's broke as well. But there's bars on the outside so nobody can get in. Same as bars on the window there at the kitchen. So we're just going to put glass blocks up, like I say, in an extractor. There's a new toilet and system, a flush, so we don't have to use a pan. And we've got some nice tiles, so it'll be lovely and clean when it's all painted. There's going to be a transformation, really. I've got Hardy Flex for the roof, that's coming today. The hardboard for the partition, we're putting a partition here, it's going over there, so the door's going to be there. So when people come to this door, they can't see into the CR. It's all blocked off, so people can't see. You know, you can come out the bathroom and you're not going to flash anybody. The problem I've got is, apart from this guy here who never does it, the other two keep walking off the job and going away for 10-20 minutes. Just like the main builder's gone, he's done nothing this morning. Here he is, look. He's gone for food. It's not time for food.
Yeah, it's already good. No, for snack time.
Snack time.
So I need to buy snacks for them.
Well, he didn't turn up till 9:15. Then he went away for 20 minutes. So his money's getting docked. I'm not paying him a full day's wage, and he's not. I mean, they've got to take this seriously, or they haven't really, haven't they? So anyway, getting back to it. So like in the corner there, I've got to breeze block all that up and then skim it. The back, it's all going to want skimming. I've got to put a false wall in here because the false wall's the actual wall is bowing. I don't know if you can see it. I know it's a bit dark, but it's bowing out. It's like, you know, I don't know. It's not good. It's not good. But look at it now, and then look at it again when we've finished it, and it'll be hopefully quite a big transformation and comfortable. Maybe. Now you see, the house is that old. I don't want to be in here when they're drilling and there's lots of dust, because you don't know what's in that dust. The paint that they used to use was full of lead, so if they start rubbing things down, then you know they're going to be inhaling all that. So I need to get them some masks today as well, because they don't see the inherent danger of what they're doing, and it's quite scary. I feel for them. So I'm not sure what this guy's going to want paying today, because he hasn't really done anything, and he's supposed to be the main man. I guess he thinks his role is supervisory. Oh dear. So that's the update, guys. I'll just do a little bit a bit later on in the day to show you where they've got to. Hopefully they've got a lot further than they have now. So see you later. Right, the builder guy, him in the green shirt, just sprung it on me that most of the roof is rotten and we need to reinforce it with some more 2x2. So when he puts the new hardy flex up, because we're not putting hardboard up like spin up, I mean we're pulling this down, it's like paper. It was solid like this stuff, and now it's just like paper. It's got to be termites. It's just got to be. It can't be this bad. This wood here, you see, I've told them that I want the sockets in the wall and I want it wired properly, and we've got up here to this wood beam here, and it's just rotten. You can put your fingers through it. So every step of the way here, it's just more money. So he's told me I need another. These are really expensive, and they're not plain, they're not uniform. They're supposed to be 2x2, but they're not. They're like 2 by like 1.5 or whatever, I don't know. And he says we need another 20. Now they about broke the bank buying this lot. And then the electrician come and he says I need this, I need that, I need other. You know, it's never ending. It's never ending. It's been an eye-opener. I shouldn't be surprised, actually. You know, I'm acting like I'm surprised and I'm not, because of what I've seen in the house. You know, it looks like they've just done what they needed to do, got a roof over the head and moved in as quickly as they can. You know, they've not paid attention to the roof and keeping the roof maintained to stop the water leaking in. A lot of it's water damage, there's no doubt about that, but I mean, to have like that between you and the next door neighbours so they can hear everything you're saying is quite amazing. So I'll just show you over here again, show you what I mean. You possibly can't see the roof, you can't now, but these beams are alright, but some of them, they're just, you know, you hit them with a hammer and the hammer's going into them. You know, this is the wiring in the house. This is what is all over the place. So you see here, we've got a breeze block that.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grass green.